Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the state cabinet has approved a QR code-based tracking system for products sold by Excise department. This system will assign a unique QR code to every bottle, enabling the government to track its entire journey from the bond storage to the retail shop. The introduction of this technology is expected to increase the state's revenue by 5% to 10%. The cabinet also approved the appointment of Haimonlang Nongplo IPS, retired as member non-judicial of the Human Rights Commission, and Lieutenant Colonel Sebastian Marbanyang, retired for Zila Sainik Welfare Officer for a period of 5 years.
By the Excise Department to have a QR code-based tracking system for the different products being sold by the Excise Department, which basically in simple terms means that every bottle that is going to be sold in Meghalaya is going to have a QR code, and we are expecting that this will have anything between 5% to 10% of impact on the overall revenue